Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to convert USDC to USD and Coinchange. If you don't have a Coinchange account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up and get $40 in crypto. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Trade. On this tab, select the crypto you wish to convert. Click on the drop-down arrow beside the From field, then select USD coin. After that, enter the amount you wish to convert on the From field. You could also just click on 20%, 50%, or 100%. After that, click on Get Quote. Once the USD amount has been generated, click on Buy Now. And now you will see a confirmation message. That's how you convert USDC to USD and Coinchange. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.